Alex was a poor boy. He lived in a small, broken house. His family was very poor. They had little money and few things. Alex had a father, a mother, a brother, and a sister. They were a happy family. But one day, everything changed. Alex's father got very sick. They had no money for the doctor. His father got worse and worse. One day, his father died. The family was very sad. They cried a lot. Alex promised his mother he would take care of her and his sister. His brother tried to help too. But one day, his brother also got sick. There was no money to buy medicine. Alex and his mother could only watch as his brother got weaker. Soon, his brother died too. Alex felt very alone. He cried every night. After his father and brother died, Alex's family was even poorer. His mother worked very hard. She cleaned houses and washed clothes. But it was not enough. Sometimes they had no food. They were hungry. Alex wanted to help his mother. He promised her, "I will work hard. I will become rich one day. I will take care of you and my sister." His mother hugged him. She said, "I believe in you, Alex. You are a good boy. Study hard and work hard. Never give up." His mother's words gave him hope. Alex loved to learn. He studied at home. He read old books and learned English. He worked very hard every day. He did not give up, even when he was hungry. He wanted to keep his promise to his mother. Alex found small jobs. He cleaned the streets. He carried heavy bags. He worked in a factory. The work was hard. His hands hurt, and his back ached. But he did not stop. He needed to earn money for his family. Sometimes, Alex cried when he was alone. He was sad and tired. But he remembered his promise. He wanted to make his mother proud. He kept studying English. He learned new words every day. He practiced speaking. He wanted to be ready for any chance. Alex had a friend. Her name was Lily. They grew up together. Lily was kind and smart. Alex liked her very much. But Lily's family was not poor. They had money. They wanted Lily to marry a rich man. One day, Lily's parents told Alex, "You are poor. You cannot marry Lily. She needs a better life." Alex was heartbroken. He loved Lily, but he knew he was poor. He had nothing to give her. Lily cried too. She loved Alex, but she had to obey her parents. Alex felt very sad. He lost his love because he was poor. He felt very alone. He cried many nights. But he did not give up. He remembered his promise to his mother and sister. He kept working hard. One day, a rich man came to the factory where Alex worked. The rich man's name was Mr. Johnson. He was the owner of the factory. Mr. Johnson heard Alex speaking English. He was very surprised. "Who taught you English?" he asked. "I learned it myself," Alex replied. Mr. Johnson was impressed. He saw that Alex was smart and hardworking. "You have a talent," Mr. Johnson said. "I want to help you." He offered Alex a better job in his office. Alex was very happy. He worked as Mr. Johnson's assistant. He learned many new things. He worked very hard and always did his best. Mr. Johnson trusted him more and more. Years passed. Alex continued to work hard. Mr. Johnson saw that Alex was loyal and honest. He saw that Alex was smart and learned quickly. One day, Mr. Johnson said, "Alex, you are ready. I want you to be the CEO of my company." Alex could not believe it. He thanked Mr. Johnson. He promised to work even harder. As the CEO, Alex made the company grow. He was very successful. He made a lot of money. He did not forget his promise to his mother. Alex saved his money. He bought a big house. He wanted to surprise his mother and sister. One day, he brought them to the new house. "This is our new home," he said. His mother and sister cried with joy. They hugged Alex. They were so proud of him. Alex kept his promise. He became rich. He took care of his mother and sister. He never forgot his struggles. He helped other poor children. He gave them hope. He told them, "Never give up. Work hard and believe in yourself. You can achieve your dreams." Alex's mother looked at him with tears in her eyes. "You have made me very proud, Alex," she said. "You are a good son. You have a big heart." Alex hugged his mother. He remembered all the hard times. He remembered his promise. His sister hugged him too. "You are the best brother," she said. Alex smiled. He was happy. He had kept his promise. He had made his family proud. He had found success through hard work and determination. Alex never forgot the lessons he learned. He always remembered to be kind and help others. He knew how hard life could be. He wanted to make the world a better place. He used his money to help poor families. He built schools and gave scholarships to poor children. He always remembered his mother's words. "Study hard and work hard. Never give up." These words guided him through his life. He taught these lessons to others. He wanted everyone to have a chance to succeed. Alex's life was full of challenges, but he overcame them. He became a symbol of hope and hard work. Many people looked up to him. They were inspired by his story. Alex knew that his journey was not just for himself. It was for everyone who struggled like he did. Alex continued to work hard. He continued to help others. His mother and sister were always by his side. Together, they made a happy family. They had tears of joy, and they had hope for the future. Alex's story is a reminder that with hard work, determination, and a kind heart, anything is possible. No matter how difficult life may seem, there is always hope. There is always a way to achieve your dreams.